Hi guys. So I'm using Emily's account just so I can show you how to access the digital reading log. So when you go to Miss and I and you go to classwork and you go to reading, you're going to see the digital reading log. If you click on it, right here is your work. And your work always pops up in this right hand side. You click on it. And now you're in the digital reading log. Every day you read, you type in the date. So today's date is March 25th. The title of your book, the author, the genre is a drop down. Fiction or nonfiction. I made it very simple. The time you started reading, the time you ended, and then a skill. If you drop down, there's a bunch of skills here. And if you're doing a different skill, you can write a different skill in there as well. And you're just going to always go back to this reading log. Every single day that you read, you're going to go into the reading log so you do not turn it in. If you have a problem accessing it, chances are you have a hard time accessing it because you're on an iPad. If you're on an iPad, you need to download Google Sheets as a app because it doesn't give you access to it if you don't have the app downloaded. If you're still having an issue after that, message me. Thanks, guys.